Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the frustrating F17 error on your Kenmore washer from the 2025 models, you're in the right place. This error code usually pops up when there's an issue with the water inlet system, like low water pressure or a clogged filter, preventing your washer from filling up properly. Don't worry. I'll guide you through the fixes step by step, so you can get your machine running again in no time. First things first, always prioritize safety. Unplug your washer and turn off the water supply before starting any repairs to avoid accidents. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your water supply. Make sure the faucets connected to your washer are fully open and that there's adequate water pressure. If the pressure seems low, it could be due to a household issue. Try running other faucets to test. If everything looks good there, move to step 2. Inspect the inlet hoses. These are the hoses that connect your washer to the water source. Look for any kinks, bends, or blockages. Straighten them out if needed, and if they're damaged, you might have to replace them. Grab some at your local hardware store. Next, step 3. Clean the inlet filters. These little screens inside the hoses can get clogged with debris over time. Unscrew the hoses from the back of the washer, remove the filters, and rinse them under running water. Once they're clean, reattach everything securely. Now, for step 4. Reset your washer. Sometimes, a simple reset does the trick. Unplug the machine for about a minute, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, you may need to check the water inlet valve itself in step 5. This is a bit more advanced. Test it with a multimeter for continuity, and if it's faulty, replace it. You'll find replacement parts online or at appliance stores. There you have it. By following these steps, you should resolve that pesky F17 error and get your Kenmore washer back to spinning smoothly. If you're still having issues, it might be time to call a professional technician. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these problems in the future, so keep an eye on your hoses and filters. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you next time.